The EETV Box Pro is a powerful streaming device, but like any technology, it can experience various issues. Today we'll diagnose the most common problems users encounter and understand what causes them. EETV Box Pro issues fall into four main categories. App problems include freezing and crashing. Network issues affect Wi-Fi connectivity and loading. Remote control problems involve unresponsive buttons and voice commands. Finally, black screen issues relate to HDMI and boot problems. App problems are the most frequent issues, affecting 28% of all support requests. When apps freeze or crash, it's usually due to insufficient memory, corrupted cache files, version conflicts, or too many background processes running simultaneously. Network connectivity issues represent 35% of all support tickets. These problems manifest as intermittent Wi-Fi disconnections, slow streaming speeds, 5 GHz band compatibility issues, and router configuration conflicts. The troubleshooting process follows a systematic flowchart approach. Remote control issues account for 20% of customer complaints. Unresponsive buttons typically result from battery depletion or Bluetooth pairing problems. Voice command failures often stem from microphone hardware issues or network connectivity problems affecting the voice recognition service. Black screen problems represent 12% of technical support calls. HDMI handshake failures occur due to resolution mismatches, HDCP authentication issues, or cable problems. Boot loop issues typically result from firmware corruption or hardware malfunctions. The HDCP process shown here illustrates the complex authentication required for secure content playback. Understanding these four main categories helps identify the root cause of most EETV Box Pro problems. Network issues are the most common at 35%, followed by app problems at 28%. With proper diagnosis, 68% of issues can be resolved through self-service troubleshooting methods. The first and most important troubleshooting step is ensuring your EETV Box Pro has the latest firmware updates. These updates address stability issues, connectivity problems, and app compatibility. For app-related problems like freezing or crashing, start by clearing the app cache. If issues persist, try reinstalling the problematic app from the Google Play Store. Wi-Fi connectivity issues are common and often stem from router configuration or signal strength problems. Check your router settings and consider using the 5 GHz band for better performance. Remote control problems are often caused by battery depletion or Bluetooth pairing issues. Start by replacing the batteries, then try repairing the remote if problems persist. Black screen problems are typically caused by HDMI connection issues or resolution mismatches. Check your HDMI cable connections and verify your display resolution settings. Prevention is better than cure. Enable automatic firmware updates, optimize your network settings, clear app caches monthly, and ensure your device has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating.